Understanding tokens matter because they affect almost everything. How much a request costs, how much text you can send and receive, and why an LLM sometimes splits a word in a strange place. When you're building AI agents, tokens are the currency you're spending with every single interaction. So here's a concrete example. Take the sentence, the tokenization process is fascinating. When tokenized, it breaks it into 6 tokens. The tokenization process is fascinating. Most of those words stayed whole. They're common enough to be their own token. But tokenization got split into 2, token and ization. So why did tokenization get split? Because the tokenizer learned that token and ization are common building blocks. By breaking words into reusable pieces, the LLM can handle words it's never seen before. So if it knows token and ization separately, it can also understand globalization, visualization, civilization, any word with that ending. The rarer the word, the more pieces it gets broken into. A word like anthropomorphization, I hope I got that right, because becomes 5 separate tokens. Not every word is one token. Common short words like the, is, and are each one token. They're extremely frequent in training data. Common longer words like computer and language also get their own single token because they appear often enough. Uncommon words like tokenization get split into 2 or 3 tokens, broken into known subpieces. Numbers vary by tokenizer and might be 1 or 2 tokens. Code tends to use more tokens because punctuation and keywords get split up, and non-English text typically uses more tokens per word because it was less represented in the training data. The pattern here is frequency. The more often a word or phrase appeared in the training data, the more likely it gets its own single token. Rare words, technical jargons, and non-English text get broken into smaller pieces, which means they cost more tokens and take slightly more effort for the model to process. Now, a rough rule of thumb, 1 token is roughly 4 characters of English text, or about 3/4 of a word.